Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus. So basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. Let's get started by use the application. You need to open Creative app and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see the same menu. Maybe it will open for you this menu, so then tap at your earbuds, but usually you will see this one. Now, right here at the second line we have ambient control, click on it, and to enable ANC you need to tap at the ambient mode. And we just enable it. To disable it you need to swap to ANC or to normal mode. Now, as I said, we can also use a gesture, and by default you need to press 2 times at your left earbud. Touch area is located right here at the top. But I have something with my headphone and I cannot use it. Sometimes it works, but usually no. So 1, 2, nothing. 1, 2, nothing. 1, 2, nothing. Let's add it for the right earbud. We need to go scroll down. We need to go back and go to the custom buttons. Right here, I want to set it for the double press for the right earbud. We can also set it for the triple press by just tap on it and select ambient control. But let's do it for the right earbud, so maybe it will work. And now, right now I'm in the normal mode, 1, 2. And as you can see, I enable transparency mode. So to disable it, you need to, you will swap to ANC and then to normal mode. 1, 2. And to the normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!